Jerusalem Talmud Yomi, Tractate Orlah, Chapter 3, Mishnah 1, Part 3, with the words Rabbi Yochanan. Rabbi Yochanan said, Simanim besimanim batelin b'masayim. Okay, pigments in pigments become insignificant in 200. They're nullified in 200, and fluid dyes by majority. Rabbi Abba Bar Mamel said the use of Orlah in Tiberias is judged by majority. A Mishnah disagrees with Rabbi Abba Bar Mamel. A dish cooked with Orlah shells must be burned. He explains it by a clay vessel among pots. Rabbi Yossi said, does Rabbi Abba Bar Mamel say that it is permitted to do so from the start? No. To correct the past. How is that? If it is enough to dye, you consider the permitted dye as non-existent. The prohibited is enough to prohibit. If it is not enough to dye, you consider the permitted dye as non-existent. The prohibited is not enough to prohibit. I'm not even going to try to make sense of that. There we have stated the following things from Gentiles are forbidden. Again, this is the opinion of the Talmud. This is not my personal opinion. I'm just reading what we have here. I'm just making this known for people. This doesn't necessarily reflect my own opinion. I think a lot of things have changed since then. But anyway, the following things from Gentiles are forbidden even for benefit. Wine, Gentiles' vinegar, which originally was wine, and Hadrianic pottery. Rabbi Zera in the name of Rabbi Jeremiah, this is Rabbi Meir's opinion. As we have stated, Hadrianic pottery is forbidden even for benefit, personal benefit. Where do we hold? If one put it into a dish, everyone agrees that it is forbidden. If he sells it, excluding the value of libation wine contained in it, everybody agrees that it is permitted. But we deal with the case that he put it on top of a dish. May it be used to support the legs of a couch? Rabbi Elazar says it is forbidden. Rabbi Yochanan says it is permitted. Rabbi Jonah asked before Rabbi Zera, may one use the cloth which was discussed here to support the legs of a couch? The latter was offended by this. He said to him, even for him who permits there, here it is forbidden. There, the prohibition is not visible. Here, the prohibition is visible. Rabbi Haggai said, when I descended from a ship, I heard the voice of Rabbi Jacob stating, cloth dyed with Orlah shells should be burned. But did we not state, if one took from it wood to make a weaver's shuttle, it is forbidden for benefit? If he used it to weave cloth, it is forbidden for personal benefit. If libation wine fell into a cistern, all is forbidden for personal benefit. But did we not state, Rabbi Shimon ben Gamliel says, it should be all sold to a Gentile, except for the value of the libation wine contained in it? Rabbi Acha ben Jacob said, Haggai raised the question. Rabbi Haggai resolved it. What is it? That people do not buy wine from Gentiles, but here people do buy cloths from Gentiles.